Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's video, if you're looking for the best useful air fryer on Amazon, this smart kitchen appliance is a must-have. Designed with rapid hot air circulation technology, it cooks your favorite meals faster, healthier, and with up to 85% less oil. Perfect for frying, baking, grilling, and roasting, it delivers crispy, golden results every time. With a large capacity, user-friendly controls, and an easy-to-clean non-stick basket, this air fryer is ideal for family meals and daily cooking. A stylish, space-saving design makes it a great addition to any modern kitchen. Upgrade your cooking experience today with the best air fryer on Amazon. So let's start the video. Visual Glass Air Deep Fryers. Enjoy healthier cooking with our Hot Sale 6.8L electric air fryer. Designed with a clear visual glass window, you can monitor your food while it cooks to perfection. This oil-free air fryer uses rapid hot air circulation to fry, roast, grill, and bake with little to no oil, perfect for guilt-free meals. Its large 6.8L capacity makes it ideal for families and gatherings. Sleek, durable, and easy to clean, this household kitchen appliance is a must-have for modern healthy living. Midea Flexify French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. Cyclone Air Fryer. Enjoy 25% faster cooking and 90% less oil compared to traditional fryers. This all-in-one combo features VD-certified heat evenness with 1 convection fan and 6 heat tubes, allowing it to heat up quickly and eliminate the need for preheating when using the air fry function. Versatile 10 functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, pizza, reheat, slow cook, dehydrate, and warm. Prepare your family meal in a more flexible way. Large capacity, 26.4 Cutie French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Perfectly fits 1 12-inch pizza, up to 6 slices of toast, or 14 juicy chicken wings, making it an ideal addition to your kitchen. Precise temperature and time control. Ninja Crispy Air Fryer. All-in-one system. Includes the Ninja Crispy Power Pod for QT and 6-cup clean crisp glass containers and 2 storage lids. Crispy Power Pod. The power of a full-sized air fryer now in the palm of your hand. Small large batch containers. 6-cup container cooks a personal-sized meal in 7 minutes, while the 4 Cutie fits a 4 lb chicken and veggies. Non-toxic containers. Clean crisp glassware is designed for non-toxic cooking and storing. 4-in-1 functionality. Max Crisp Bake Air Fry Recrisp. Fixed heat protection. Permanently fixed heat-safe feet, so you can safely set it on granite, laminate, quartz, butcher block, and marble. Leak-proof lids. Snap-lock lids ensure your meal won't spill on the go. Non-toxic air fryer. Rotisserie tumbling basket included. Roast a whole chicken to perfection or tumble fries and veggies for even crispiness, all hands-free. Accessories are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Non-toxic, family-safe materials, made with durable glass and free from BPA, Teflon, and PFAS. Cook with complete peace of mind, knowing there are no harmful coatings or chemicals. Self-cleaning. The original self-cleaning air fryer that lets you skip the scrubbing. Just add water and dish soap, press a button, and your air fryer cleans itself. No hassle, no mess. Full 360 degrees glass bowl. Boswell Glass Air Fryer. Versatile air fryers. Our glass air fryers are equipped with the latest 360 degrees hot air circulation system, which can replace a variety of small kitchen appliances to become your all-around cooking partner. The system ensures that the hot air is completely wrapped around the ingredients to prevent partial burning of the food, while reducing the sticking phenomenon and making the cooking process smoother. Transparent glass body. The unique glass material allows you to clearly observe the changes in the food during cooking. No need to open the lid frequently to avoid heat loss and ensure that the food is heated evenly. You can more accurately control the cooking progress, like a precise time not to miss any delicious moment and taste every bite just right. 5 preset one-click operation. Built-in seafood baked fries, steak, chicken. 5 common food preset programs. AstralShip 2-in-1 Glass Air Fryer Grill Combo. 2-in-1 Versatile Cooking. Air Fryer Griddle Combo. This compact countertop air fryer and griddle combo is a multifunction cooking appliance that lets you fry, grill, or bake in one space-saving unit. Flip the unit 180 degrees to switch modes and enjoy faster, oil-less cooking with fewer tools. Ideal for small kitchens, RVs, and modern homes. 7 digital presets for quick, consistent results. This digital air fryer toaster oven features 7 one-touch presets for popular meals like French fries, chicken, steak, seafood, veggies, and baked snacks. Whether it's a quick dinner or weekend prep, the digital control panel delivers consistent, perfectly cooked results. Great for beginners and busy households. Glass air fryer bowl. Real-time visibility while cooking. See your food crisp and sizzle in real time through the durable, heat-resistant glass air fryer bowl. No more guessing or lifting the lid. Ninja Air Fryer 10 Cutie Double Stack XL 2 Basket. Space-saving design. Ninja's stack design lets you cook double the food in nearly half the space and still fits under standard cabinets. Plus, it's 40% slimmer than your traditional 2-basket air fryers. Double-stack air frying technology. Only Ninja's stack design has 2 independently controlled baskets, so you can cook 4 foods at once. Cook 4 foods with stacked meal racks. Includes 2 removable stacked meal racks, allowing you to cook on 2 levels per basket. Superheated air surrounds both foods in each basket for an all-around crisp. Smart Finish Match Cook. Choose between the Smart Finish feature, which unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, and the Match Cook feature, which easily copies settings across zones for full 10 QT capacity meals. XL family-sized capacity. 10 QT capacity lets you cook 2 5-pound chickens at once and can feed up to 8 people. Tasti-Crisp electric air fryer oven. Healthier food. Tasti-Crisp air fryer uses air crisp technology instead of oil to cook vegetables, frozen foods, and more, reducing added fat by 70 to 80%. It's a must-have mini kitchen appliance, and the aqua green air fryer looks great in any kitchen. Quick and easy. This countertop air fryer is compact, sized for any kitchen, and makes cooking healthy a breeze. Just load the air cooker nonstick basket, set the temp and timer, and within minutes you have crispy food. Personal air fryer. Ninja DZ 201 Footy 8 Quart 6 in 1 dual zone 2 basket air fryer. 2 independent baskets. The original air fryer with 2 independent baskets. The XL air fryer lets you cook 2 foods 2 ways at the same time, eliminating back-to-back cooking like a traditional single-basket air fryer. Smart Finish Match Cook. Dual zone technology allows you to choose between the Smart Finish feature, which unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, and the Match Cook button to easily copy settings across zones for full 8 QT capacity. 6in 1 functionality. Includes 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The baskets can be washed in the dishwasher or by hand. XL capacity. The 8-quart air fryer capacity lets you fit mains and sides at the same time for making quick family meals or up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. Cosori Air Fryer 9 in 1. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. Advanced airflow and precise temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. Cosori's unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver professional-grade versatility, creating exceptional dishes across all functions with just 1 basket. Innovative TurboBlaze technology helps speed up cooking to save time. Cuisinart Air Fryer. Versatile cooking functions. This premium 1800-watt Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is equipped with an air fry setting plus toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, and warming feature. Spacious capacity. The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven is large enough to toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4 pounds chicken. Superior operation. Equipped with an adjustable temperature dial, 60-minute timer/auto shutoff, and a toast shade selector. This air fryer toaster oven features a wide temperature range, warm, 450 degree F, to ensure your meals are cooked to your perfection. Fast and crispy food. Air Advantage technology with top fan/heater assembly provides optimized hot air flow for fast and crispy results, locking in flavor and giving food the crispy texture you love.